We're at the property today and I'm going to be taking a look at some new fabric for our camper awning. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box and give you my honest opinion on the quality. I'm not going to install it because I need to hire a professional for that. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Ours came packaged in a large cardboard box inside of another cardboard box, and then it was wrapped in thick plastic with this thick cardboard tube in the center, which I presume is to prevent creases from forming during transit. We are working on unfolding it, and it is the perfect length for our really dirty and old awning. It does have a little flap here, just like ours does. Ours has a nice little scalloped flap. This one is a straight edge flap. This is a gradient pattern. So the dark part is in the front and then all the way in the back is completely white, which is actually really nice. Now I just have to find a professional to install it.